fix WhatsApp message not sending and receiving problem solved. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you're facing the problem of not sending and receiving the messages on WhatsApp problem and you would like to solve it, do not worry as we have got the perfect way on how you can solve that. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection, now you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After you find the very WhatsApp application by scrolling left or right, you can tap on WhatsApp application like this and then go to the I like option. After you tap on the I like option, now it will take you to the option of the app information. After it takes you to the app information, now you have to tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, and SMS. Again, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of storage, and if you see cache here, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the next option, that is app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, you can see an interface like this. Now if your problem is not solved, in the option of email here, you can contact the developer of WhatsApp and also send an email to the developer of the very WhatsApp regarding your problem, and if the developer receives it within 24 hours, your problem will be solved. And the next way, you can go to the Play Store on your very mobile device, and after going to the Play Store, in the search icon, you can search WhatsApp there, and when you find WhatsApp, now you can see the option of update. If the option of update is there, you can update it, otherwise you can open it and your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.